Hello decorator friends! We bring you 100 beautiful Christmas decoration ideas and tips. When it comes to decorating your home for Christmas, there's something so magical about the way it transforms your space. It's not just about putting up a tree or hanging a few ornaments. It's about creating an atmosphere that radiates warmth, joy, and festivity. The way you decorate your home for the holidays can set the mood not just for your family, but also for anyone who steps into your space. There's a kind of excitement that comes with Christmas decor, one that captures the spirit of the season and brings people together. One of the best parts about Christmas decorating is the endless possibilities for creativity. You can stick with traditional red and green or try something entirely new. Maybe this is the year you add a touch of elegance with metallics like gold or silver. Or if you love the idea of a cozy winter wonderland, think about whites and soft blues to create a snowy, serene effect. You can also mix and match colors to reflect your personality or complement the existing style of your home. Regardless of what theme you choose, the goal is to make your home feel festive, welcoming, and full of holiday cheer. One of the biggest benefits of decorating for Christmas is the way it instantly lifts the mood. There's something comforting about seeing twinkling lights, a beautifully decorated tree, and wreaths on the doors. It turns your home into a holiday haven, a place where you can relax, enjoy time with family, and truly feel the spirit of the season. The warm glow from Christmas lights, candles, and fireplaces creates an inviting ambience, especially during those long, chilly nights. It makes your home feel cozier and more intimate, like a retreat from the cold world outside. Another advantage of holiday decorating is that it gives you a chance to express yourself creatively. Whether you enjoy making DIY decorations or carefully selecting store-bought items that match your theme, the process of choosing and arranging decor allows you to put your personal stamp on the season. You might find joy in handcrafting ornaments or creating a stunning centerpiece for your dining table. Even something as simple as arranging garlands along a staircase or placing a few festive throw pillows on your sofa can add a layer of holiday magic. These personal touches make your home uniquely yours during the holidays. One of the key aspects of Christmas decorating is, of course, the tree. It's usually the centerpiece of holiday decor, and it can truly define the mood of your entire space. Whether you opt for a real or artificial tree, you can decorate it in a way that complements your chosen theme. Maybe you prefer a classic look with red ribbons and gold ornaments, or perhaps you like to keep things modern with a monochrome color palette. Don't forget the lights. The way they twinkle on the branches can bring a tree to life. You can also add personal ornaments that tell a story, whether they're passed down through family or collected over the years. These small touches add character and a sentimental layer to your tree. Beyond the tree, there are so many other areas of the home that can benefit from a little Christmas magic. Consider decorating your mantel if you have a fireplace. This is the perfect spot for garlands, candles, and stockings hung with care. You can layer greenery with ornaments or ribbons for added texture and dimension. If you don't have a fireplace, you can create a similar display on a console table or shelf. The idea is to create visual interest and a sense of balance in the room, drawing attention to key areas without overwhelming the space. Lighting is another critical element in creating a festive atmosphere. Christmas lights aren't just for the tree. You can string them across windows, doorways, or even outdoors to brighten up the exterior of your home. Think about hanging icicle lights along the roofline or wrapping trees and bushes in your yard with mini lights. Inside, you can place string lights in glass jars or weave them through garlands for a magical touch. The soft, twinkling glow of Christmas lights adds a layer of enchantment that's hard to beat. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your home feel festive. Don't overlook the small details that can really bring your decor to life. Adding holiday-themed throw blankets, pillows, and even curtains can transform your living space. Swapping out everyday items for Christmas-inspired ones, like festive dishware or seasonal centerpieces, can make your home feel like a winter wonderland. Scents also play a huge role in setting the mood. Cinnamon, pine, and vanilla candles can fill your home with the comforting aromas of the season, making it feel even more inviting. One of the wonderful things about Christmas decorating is how it brings people together. The process of decorating itself can become a cherished tradition. Whether you're decorating the tree as a family or baking holiday cookies while hanging up garlands, it's a time to bond and make memories. Your home becomes the backdrop for these special moments, and the decorations themselves often carry stories from years past. That's the beauty of Christmas decorating. It's an expression of love, warmth, and happiness, and it's entirely unique to you. Whether you go all out with every room in the house or keep things simple with just a few festive touches, it's the thought and care you put into it that truly makes a difference. And the best part? You're not just decorating for yourself. You're creating an environment that will bring joy to everyone who enters your home. Think about the memories you're making with your loved ones. Every year, pulling out the decorations becomes a tradition in itself, with each ornament or piece of decor reminding you of past holidays. Maybe there's that one ornament you've had since childhood, or a wreath that you and your family made together. These personal pieces become cherished mementos, and adding them to your decor each year adds layers of nostalgia and meaning to the holiday season. It's these little details that turn a house into a home full of memories, love, and holiday spirit. Another great aspect of decorating for Christmas is how it can create a sense of community. Whether you're inviting friends over for holiday gatherings, having family members visit, or just wanting to spread the festive cheer to your neighbors, your home becomes a place where people can come together to share the joys of the season. Even a simple wreath on your front door can make passersby smile, and when they step inside and see the warmth and thoughtfulness of your decorations, it immediately sets a tone of welcome and celebration. You might even want to carry that holiday spirit outdoors. Decorating your home's exterior is a great way to spread Christmas cheer to everyone around you. Whether it's a full-on light display or just a few simple touches like wreaths, lanterns, or glowing reindeer, outdoor decor can make your home stand out during the season. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank or spend hours setting it up. Sometimes a well-placed string of lights or a festive front door display is all it takes to create that magical holiday atmosphere. Properly decorating your home for Christmas also offers a chance to slow down and savor the season. Life can get busy, especially during the holidays, but taking the time to decorate allows you to pause and enjoy the moment. It's a reminder to focus on what really matters, spending time with those you care about and creating lasting memories. As you hang ornaments, string lights, or arrange garlands, it's an opportunity to reflect on the joys of the season and the people who make it special. Moreover, decorating for Christmas allows you to create a space that feels like a true retreat during what can sometimes be a hectic time of year. Coming home to a beautifully decorated space can bring a sense of peace and comfort, helping you to unwind and truly enjoy the holiday season. It's about creating a space that not only looks festive but feels cozy and inviting, where you can relax with a cup of hot cocoa, enjoy a holiday movie, or gather with friends and family for festive celebrations. In the end, Christmas decorating is about creating a space that brings joy. It's not about perfection or following trends. It's about making your home feel like Christmas, however that looks for you. Maybe it's an explosion of color with lights and ornaments everywhere, or maybe it's a more minimalist, modern approach with just a few well-placed pieces. The important thing is that your decorations reflect your love for the season and the people you share it with. That's the real magic of Christmas decor. It turns your house into a home full of holiday spirit.